Wow, look how flooded the creek is. This is nuts. Wow. Duke, you're gonna get pulled around by the current. You better get back. Come on, Duke. Careful, Duke. Very careful. Jeez. God, this used to be land right here. Where Duke is, it's like right where the water would be in the creek. Duke, what are you doing? What do you think of this? This is crazy, isn't it? Duke, you proud of finding a snake? Hey, he didn't kill it or anything. Duke, look at me. You crazy, Duke. Duke, where are you going? Come on. Let's go this way. Still carrying that darn snake, huh? More of that ooey foam stuff. Duke, don't go in there. That stuff's disgusting.
Bang into the curb.
Tree shaker! What do you think is a tree shaker? So we're on 7 Mile now. Almost to 7 Mile Bridge. Past my cousin's house already. Yep. Still can't believe this is crazy, right, Duke? It's crazy, huh? Madness. So we backtracked and went back to the fort. This fort that somebody built. It's like the ladder is gone. Dirty as hell. Yeah. So the inside of the fort, you can see there's a Bud Light lime in there. Yeah. And they burnt the ladder, took it apart. So this could be dangerous. Oh, I fell. But I fell on my feet. Alright, Duke, always fall on your feet. So you can see we're over by the bridge now. And there's like a second island stream coming through. There's the island. What do you think, Duke? We're almost underneath the bridge. So you can see we're right by the bridge now. Traffic is going by. Duke's with me still. Always with me. He's my buddy. Wow, that's a big bird. That was a gray heron. There he goes. Alright, so we're by the bridge. So we're finally by the 7 Mile Bridge. Probably not going under there. Duke, what do you think? It's crazy. Yeah. Walking back to the house. Jeez. It is flooded. Definitely. What do you think, dude?
Friends.
Yeah.
And, I had to get gifts and...
Oh, Duke, you just got taken down by... Huh? Where are you guys going? Even the stream is flooded. Not as bad as the creek, but yeah. Get any drink, huh? Duke, wait up. Good boy. Arnett. Careful, guys. Do not go over here. Trixie, no. Trixie, come here. Trixie, come here. Trixie, Duke, come on. Come on, Duke, this way. You guys ready? Go get it. Come on, bring it here. Duke, bring it here. Oh, wow. That didn't take long for this to lose its petals and everything. Guys, no. No, Trixie, come on. Let's go, guys. Slow down. Hey. Hey. Come on, Duke. Duke, you getting a drink? Huh?
Don't be taking my fork away.
Oh, you got him signed already.
Yeah,
Hey, Jill. Hey, Molly. Oh, where are you going? There you are. Hey, Duke. What you guys searching for? Rocco, what are you doing? Duke! Come on, Trixie! What do you think, Duke? Oh, this is just gorgeous.
Just move out of the way, okay?
Yeah.
Doc, it's Rocco.
Let's go.
Let's go, Duke.
Again. Come.
Come on, Duke, go.
Oh, she got you.
Come on, Doc, let's go.
He'll find us.
Come on, Duke, come.
He's obsessing on a squirrel.
Oh, you came back, huh? Yeah? Trixie. Hey, Duke. Doc. Gingy.
On Mother's Day.
Hey.
Get a picture of us. They're watching each other.
Yeah.
She was walking next to me when I was like,
Guys, stop. Come on. Doc, you don't need the bark. You don't need the bark. Come on. Okay, alright. Go run, Doc.
I give you one.
No, she dropped it. And I put it up in a tree. Oh yeah, she grabbed it. Oh yeah. Ginger. Yeah.
Wouldn't be able to get a walk in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Most definitely. How are you keeping up with us, huh? Yeah.
Living in his mother's basement and driving my free car.
Duke, come on. We gotta go get the ball. Come on. Come on, Duke. Come on.
Look at the ball.
Thank you for coming, Doc. Dude, go on in. Let's go. Come. Duke, come. Come on, Trixie. Come on, Duke. Come. Let's go. Come on. You guys play like this the whole walk. Come on. Come on. Ah, you crazy guys. Duke, taking pee break. Oh, ruh.
Hey, Jill, you're going the wrong way. Hey, Jill.
Guys, can't knock in the people. Go. Doc, what are you doing?
To the helicopter and plane. And now they've got drones. They got drones. Yeah, picture.
Ugh. Hey, Doc, you came back. Oh. Hey, Jill. Hey, Roxy. Paul's got the treats. Well, I don't have. Documentation. What? Ah, I think so. It looks like one. Rocco, come on. Rocco. Come on. Rocco, come on. There you go.
Okay, Joe, you go, you jump on that tree.
Oh, come on, Jill. Come on, Miley. Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go. Watch out, heads up. Come on, guys, let's go. Come on. Go, guys. Leash time, Grab your leash. Come on. Come here. Hey, Doc, come here. Gotcha.
Oh, Doc.
There you go. Don't pull. Come on. Come on, guys. Come here. Oh, he got a chip.
Yeah,
It is.
it's alive, I think.
So, a year later, his mother says to me,
No. Miley, get bigger. Get it. Miley, get it. Miley. Oh, yeah.
If you dropped it, nobody wants it.
Oh, yeah.
At least not that I know of.
Yeah. To the walk, Duke. What do you think? We're all leaving. We're all leaving.